I'm so glad it's my birthday, Elsa. I'm so happy. Yup, I know you're very, very happy. I could just smell the food. Oh, all the activities. I'm so excited. And I know our mommies are going to watch a movie with all the other adults that are coming. Yeah, but we're going to have so much fun playing and having activities.
Yes, and playing with our friends. It will be so fun.
I know it's going to be fun. Birthday girl.
And there are also some colors to color and put some stickers, and we can open some gifts.
I know. I just want to eat right now, but we're going to do coloring first.
Yeah.
And I think one of our friends are coming. Rapunzel, calm down, sweetie. Oh, hello, Elsa and Annia. Hi, Auntie Rapunzel. Hi to see you, Elsa and Annia.
I'm going to play with Elsa and Annia.
Yup, all the guests are going to be coming, and we are so happy. Yup, I'm going to watch the new movie. Ariel, I hope you enjoy. I'm going to go watch the movie. Elsa and Annia, I'm so happy. Birthday girl.
And I like your dress, Annia.
Yeah, thanks. It's a jumpsuit. I really loved it. 2, 3, go.
Who likes my clothes?
We all love your clothes. Okay, my daughter's Cinderella. And my friend's daughter, Mulan. I'm so glad that I can bring you over. Well, oh, hello, girls. Hi, Annia. So nice to see you again, Cinderella. You girls can go sit down. I'm going to go watch the movie. We're going to watch some awesome movies.
Okay.
So very nice to see you again, and I have to go sit down.
Legendary said, if you go to sleep without eating, you're gonna turn to a rotten egg.
No.
That's actually gonna happen, guys.
Okay, we do not want to be rotten eggs. Okay, it's my turn. Legend says, because you hate sleeping, a big hippo is gonna come, swallow you up, and you will never ever be seen again. No. I don't want to sleep. I don't really like sleeping. Just kidding. It's just a legend.
Okay, it's gonna go my turn. So legendary says, if you don't ask for your mom to go to the cat right over there, you're gonna fart in your pants.
Oh, ew, fart!
That's so funny.
Well, okay, it's my
turn.
oh yeah, my turn. Okay, legend says if you eat too much strawberry, because it has wild sugar, you're gonna be into a wild strawberry. We don't want to be wild strawberries. Just a joke. Girls, it's time to eat. Sit down on the table and eat all the tasty food.
Okay, come on, girls, let's go.
Okay, I'm the birthday girl, and this is my chair because it's the birthday seat. Every time the birthday comes, the birthday girl sits in the birthday seat. Come on, friends, why are you not coming?
Oh, yeah.
I want to sit in this comfortable seat.
I want to sit in the pink.
Yeah, we're going to be so comfy. One more seat. Sit with me, Mulan. And Snowflake and Elsa are going to be coming. Bring our babies. Snowflake, sit down. Okay, Mommy, I'm really hungry. Okay, you just need to eat, right, Elsa? They need to eat.
Yeah.
Okay, let's just feed them first. Want to sit? Okay, I'm just gonna stand because I'm good at standing. Okay, let's feed the babies. Okay, oops, the eggs quickly. Okay, eat up, Alex, baby. Your mommies are really good at cooking. And your basement's big. Those cookies are good. I want to pour in a bit more juice. Banana. Banana. Pour in some juice.
Eating some watermelon, guys.
eat some watermelon. Okay.
Eat some strawberries.
And drink my juice.
Ooh, some eggs.
Put my cup back. Ooh, candy. I just want to eat some candy right now.
I want some candy. Give me that
Let me
one.
put that candy. Ooh, there's a pizza right here.
That's good.
Put the pizza back. Birthday girl, what do you want to eat? Well, I guess I'll eat pizza. Who doesn't like pizza? You're eating like yum, yum, yum. Let me take my juice.
That sounds yummy.
We're eating so much good food.
Oh, lollipops, I want to eat it.
I can't believe. What are those? They're called sugar cubes. Want to try? Sure, I'll try the pink one.
I tried one too.
I love sugar cubes.
Wow, this is so yummy.
Elsa? Oh, I'm eating egg. That's my favorite.
Oh, I love eggs.
Yep, try some, Annia. You're the birthday girl.
That was so good.
Pour it in. I'm glad we got to take the teapot with us.
And that was for my birthday, and I got it to eat some tea.
Top off. I love all the food your mommy made. Yeah, me too. Let's all go. Come on, come on. Coming. Let's go, guys. Should we help clean? Oh, yeah. We should help clean with our mommies. Let's do it. Okay, let's go to the coloring areas. Sit down. Sit down. Okay, Alex is supposed to have his nap time, so you, Snowflake, don't be naughty. Okay, mommy. I want to sit by the table right here. And I'm the birthday girl, so I get to sit by the table. And I'm just going to sit over here. So, let me show you what to do. We're just going to grab papers and color. We can even make cards. Wait, I got an idea. I got an idea. We can make cards for Annia. Huh? What was that? Oh, nothing. Oh, okay. That was very nice to have an idea, though. Let's get coloring. Grab a paper, and I will pass out everyone's paper. But there's no more papers for me. Do not worry. Maybe we both have 2 papers. One of us, let me check. Yes, I had 2 papers. Here we go, Rapunzel. Thanks, Elsa. Now let's color. Would you like these as presents? What were you gonna say?
We made cards for you.
Yeah, forma.
That was so nice of you guys. Here we go, Annia. I'll give everyone's cards to them. Here we go. Thanks very much, Elsa. And we have to get started with our next activity. Yes. We are going to be so happy. Dino slides. Let's go in a line. Yes. Mommy? Yeah?
Yes?
Can Snowflake and Alex come?
You have to go back time.
But they're done, remember? Oh, yeah, they're done. Snowflake, Alex. Wait, Alex is too little for the slide. Remember?
Oh yeah, she was scared one time, right?
Yeah, so only Snowflake.
Dino slide, dino slide, dino slide.
Annia's a birthday girl, and she can go first. And we're all waiting in a line. Yeah, hurry up. I want to go. Okay. Birthday girl will go first. 1, 2, 3, go. Whoa! Hey, that was so fun.
Next is me.
Hop on, hop. And sit down.
Whee! That was so much fun.
Yep.
It's time for me.
Dude, I'm so excited.
Hop. Whee! I'm so excited. It's my turn. Hop.
Whee! My turn. I'm so excited. Boop. Hey. 1, 2, 3. Whee! I actually went down having so much fun.
Was that fun, guys?
Yup. Hurry, hurry, hurry. Whee!
Okay, Snowflake, your turn.
Snowflake,
Finally,
snowflake.
my turn.
Snowflake up each scale. You can do it. You can do it. Whee!
Mommy,
Yes, Anya, I'm coming. I heard you. What happened?
how do you work this cat over here?
Oh, that? Okay, let me go behind. This is an automatic cat. So where Elsa's standing, can you move a bit so we can show how it's working? Yep. Over here, there's a button. It's inside. You click it, and then the cat will move.
Why is she so quiet?
Don't worry, you're gonna ride her. It's gonna be lots of fun because she moves by herself.
So what? I click her, she's not moving.
Oh, don't worry, we'll help you. Button.
It's gonna crash the
Whoa.
ribbons.
Which way is it going? Whoa, it's turning, it's turning.
Oh, it's done.
Oh my
That
God.
was so fun.
It was the best. I can't believe I get to keep this cat.
Auntie. Let me click the button, guys.
It's working.
Wow.